All right, guys. MPC has another instrument in their lineup. There's a lot. This thing just keeps getting more stuff on it, which is cool. But here are the intimate strings. So I mean, straight ahead. I mean, it sounds pretty good, but let's look at the plugin. Let's dive right into it and check out a few of the sounds. All right, we're on. And the plugin itself is a pretty simple looking plugin, not a lot there. So there's different settings. So let's check out the settings. We got expression here, dynamics, reverb here, which seems to add a little bit of reverb to the room tone that's there. But let's check out, like, say, the long. So you have a little bit of release here. So that you can kind of let that linger. Which is cool. And you got other sounds here. You got short con leño. So it's really a lot of dynamics. So you got half section, short, pizzicato, where you got the short right there. So you can go. Let's play along with that. So, I mean, you could really do a lot of cool vibes with that. So let's jam along with it. So I'll go back to that pizzicato, play something in that's a little quantized with the pizzicato, and just see what we can come up with. I was playing a little bit behind the beat because that was just me just having fun with it. Now let's add some strings and let's see what happens. So let's mix that down a little bit so it's not so overpowering. All right, let's go. So like right here. Right there. And we can just duplicate that plugin and just start adding more sounds to it. So I just hit a duplication on that. And now maybe I want to add some short strings. So you get kind of like that orchestra thing going on. We can mix that down. And the cool thing is you can take it a little further. So, you know, this pizzicato doesn't have. But maybe if I wanted to kind of make it bounce around a little bit, I can go to my plugins and maybe I can find that air tape delay, right? and mix these sounds together to see if I can come up with something different. So now I could take this a little bit further and add a little bit of tape delay. So let's see if I can add some tape delay here by turning up the intensity. Make sure it's syncing. And slow it down. And let's solo it so we can get a good tap on that delay. So now I kind of found that good, and I could just blend it. Bring everything back. So as you can see, the intimate strings is a nice addition to the plugin lineup. Always like having that big orchestra strings. I always think it takes you to the next level when it comes to really nice strings. So you want those film score strings. I think this is good. And to have it in standalone is a lot of fun too as well. But yeah, so that's my review of the intimate strings. I will do the other Spitfire plugin later, but I wanted to, check. But I want you guys to check this out and see what you think about it. I think it's cool. It's fun, nice clean interface, not a whole lot going on, but sounds really good for what they say it does. So let me know in the comments below what you think about it. I'm Delio. Like, comment, subscribe, please. All right, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm out.